Heavy construction equipment and machinery used in construction industry. Part 1. In the construction industry, where business objectives are rigorously time and margin driven, modern construction equipment is critical. Modern construction equipment is extremely fast and dependable, and it has high-quality control systems built into it as it has progressed over time. The proper use of this equipment contributes to the project's economics, quality, safety, speed, and timeliness. It optimizes the use of material, manpower, money, and the scarcity of competent and efficient labor while also keeping a close eye on the quality controls in place. Any construction company can benefit from the following machinery list: hydraulic mobile stone crusher, self-loading concrete mixer, mini dumper, concrete pipe truck, excavators, backhoe loaders, bulldozers, skid steer loaders, motor graders, crawler loaders, trenchers, scrapers, common dump trucks. Hydraulic mobile stone crusher. Many applications, such as road construction, bridge construction, building, mining, metallurgical and energy industries, use hydraulic-driven stone crushers for crushing and screening. Granite, marble, basalt, iron ore, copper ore, coal, slag, and other minerals are commonly crushed by mobile stone crushers. Concrete mixer with self-loading. Self-loading concrete mixers save time and labor on construction sites. In a matter of minutes, a single operator can weigh and load the exact amount of cement, sand, and aggregates from various sites, as well as mix the concrete while in travel to your selected work site. For more information, call 214-773-0207 or visit celiarconstructionequipment.com.